Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 2, The World Around Us, we will be covering the section of grammar in which we will learn about adverb of time. So, open up page number 33 and let's get started. To know about adverb of time, let's look at the given pictures. Let's look at the first picture. I'm going to sleep soon. The second picture is I will complete my homework soon. The third picture is soon we will go for another hiking trip. And the last picture is soon Sarah will come to meet me. Now read the pictures, go through them once again, and look at the highlighted words in the sentences. An adverb of time describes a verb or an action that is taking place. Soon is an adverb of time. Now let's do an activity. Make some sentences using the verb soon on a loose sheet. If you have any difficulty, ask someone in your family for help. I have made one sentence for you. We will go on vacation soon. Now try to make at least 5 sentences by yourself.